How to make an opening door video intro, something like this here, using the Inshot Video Editor app. And of course, this will work great for YouTube video intros or perhaps TikTok if you're into that. All right, so I'll take it from the start once again with the Inshot Video Editor app. So from the home screen of Inshot, you'll start with video, then select where it says new. All right, so you want to select the video that you want to have shown after the doors are opening. And of course, I'm just going to select one from all these videos I have here as my base video. So that's going to be your base video. And I'll select this one here. You can always long press it to preview it to make sure that that's what you want to use. So I want to use this one here. And we'll start with that. So make sure the white line is set to the very beginning of the video. Then you'll go over to the PIP tool or picture in picture tool. This will pop up your gallery app again, and you want to go over to the material tab where you can choose from one of these options here. Make sure you're under the green screen tab to find the opening door intro video, this one right there. So once you select it, it'll appear like this here. And you want to select the fit tool, which will fit the full frame as you select it. So once you tap on it, you'll see this happen here, and it'll fill up the entire video frame. Then make sure you set it to play at the very beginning. And once you're done with that, move it over until you can see the green screen here, a little bit of the green like that. And when you can see it, you'll head over to the tool that's called the chroma tool right there. So select it. You'll see that little circle appear here and just move it a little bit so it can target the green. Then once it targets the green here, you'll adjust the strength tool. And I would recommend putting it at least past the 90% so it can clear up almost all the green or every green that's shown there. And once you're done, just go ahead and play it so you can preview it to see how it looks. And if you did it right, you should have something like this here. Okay, the doors are opening and your video from behind is showing. Okay, and that would be a very cool video intro. And save it like that. Like, sub. Thanks for watching.